Alright, hey guys, Sketch Boy here today, and today I'm on my 1980 Honda XL500s, and we're gonna do a run video, and I'll drive it around my block, and I'll show you what this thing can do. Right now I have the GoPro mounted on my helmet, so we'll see how this turns out. Key on, neutral, one down, and not. Maybe not. Try that again. There we go. I got the idle set a little low, so it's probably a little harder to start. Yeah, first gear. There we go. My bike's in storage during the winter, but a few times I drive it around like this when it's sunny, and then in the summertime I ride it all the time, so yeah. Currently isn't really insured right now, but these roads, there's not many vehicles on them, sounds actually pretty good. Shutter off. So yeah, that was a little run video of the 1980 Honda XL500s. My hands are really freezing right now. The thing about riding in the winter is it's always cold, so you gotta dress for it. That's why I like driving in the summer better. But yeah, anyways, once I get this thing insured in the summer, well, hopefully in the spring, there'll be way more videos of me riding in town and all over the place, not just my boring neighborhood. So anyways, thanks for watching. If you like this video, please subscribe to see more like these, and I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.